Hello, this is Mr. Miller. Welcome to video 5.3 part 4, the final part. In this short video, we're going to review how to subtract polynomials. And we're just going to work through several examples here. So in this first example, we have 3x plus 6, that's our first polynomial, minus the x minus 8. We're subtracting all of this second polynomial. So I'm going to do this in two steps because we need to be careful. The first step, I'm going to rewrite it. We leave the first polynomial alone, 3x plus 6, and we don't need the parentheses anymore. Then we're going to subtract this whole second polynomial. This part, we got to make sure we get this right. So we're subtracting x, that's the first term, and we're subtracting negative 8. Whenever we subtract the negative, we're going to write it as plus. So subtracting a negative 8 is the same as adding a positive 8. So if we can get this step correct, we're going to be okay. Because now we just combine like terms. We can put the 3x and the minus x together. That's 2x. And we can put the plus 6 and the plus 8 together. That's plus 14. Okay, let's take a look at this. So this is the first polynomial. We're subtracting all of this. Okay, so let's rewrite it. 2 or negative 2x minus 9. We're subtracting a negative 3x. That's the same as plus 3x. We're also subtracting a negative 6. That's plus 6. And now combine like terms. Negative 2x plus 3x is 1x. Negative 9 plus 6 is negative 3. So it's going to be helpful to have a calculator handy as you do this. Alright, let's rewrite this. We have 14 minus 2x squared minus this polynomial. So we're going to do 14 minus 2x squared. Leave that alone. We're only changing the signs on the polynomial we're subtracting. We're subtracting 4x squared, so that's going to be minus 4x squared. We're subtracting a negative 16, so that's going to be plus 16. Then combine like terms. We have 14 and 16, that's 30. We have negative 2x squared minus 4x squared. Those are like terms. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6x squared. Okay, doesn't matter if we have a's and b's. Let's do it. So we have 9a plus 7b. We're going to subtract a negative 2a plus 2a. We're going to subtract a negative 7b plus 7b. Okay. Then let's add up the a terms. That's 11a. And let's add up the b terms. We have 7b and another 7b. Is 14b. Alright, let's do a few more examples, then we'll be finished. So here we go. These are really the same thing. The terms are a little bit more complicated. This first polynomial minus that. So let's rewrite it. 2x squared plus 7xy. First polynomial stays the same. Minus x squared. So we're subtracting x squared minus a minus 3xy is plus 3xy. Okay, let's see what we can combine. We have x squared terms. So 2x squared minus 1x squared is x squared. We have xy terms. 7xy plus 3xy. Well, that's plus 10xy. Alright, we have two trinomials here. Let's write it. 9a plus 6b minus 3c minus 2a, it's a c, not a 6, minus 2a minus a minus 8b is plus 8b. I'm running out of room here. Minus a minus 2c is plus 2c. Alright, if we add the a's, we get 7a. And if we combine the b's, we get 14b. And minus 3c plus 2c is minus 1c. Alright, two more trinomials. all of this minus all of that. So it's going to be minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 minus 4x squared. Minus a minus 4x is plus 4x. Minus a positive 5 is minus 5. So when we combine like terms, negative 7x squared, that's combining the x squared terms. Add the x terms, that's plus 5x. And 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Excuse me. We want to just do 1 here to show off. So this is a big subtraction problem. But it doesn't matter how big it is, we do the same thing. Alright, here we go. If I can stop coughing here. So we have the first one, 9x to the 4th minus 10x cubed minus 6x squared plus 7x minus 1. Wow. Minus 11x to the 4th. Minus a minus 3 would be plus 3x cubed. Minus 6x squared. Minus a minus 9x would be plus 9x. And minus a minus 15 is plus 15. So, combine the x to the 4th terms. Combine the x to the 3rd terms. Combine the x squared terms. X terms. And the constants. Wow, I hope I did all that okay. But my point is, once you see what's going on, you can do any of these subtraction problems. Okay, it's time for you to do your assignment in Google Classroom. Remember, you can always email me if you're stuck on a problem. Good luck.